Dude, can you cut? You say you can cut. That's what your IG say, bro.
What you got there, Johnny?
We got the new, this is Johnny, Dudecancut TV. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of the new Babyliss Pro FX3. Got my #1 hater, my man Jezzy, behind the camera. We at Finesse Pro Barbershop. Shout out to Mickey Mouse Barber, AKA Dave. Can we pan it over to Dave real quick? He over there getting my man right. Yes,
bam! What up, boy?
Ooh, these joints are sexy. Ooh,
nice little carrying case.
Nice
I see that right there too.
Little matte black joint. I like the carbon fiber. I probably shouldn't turn them on, but you know, this is for YouTube. That's for the is. How you turn this on? How you do it?
You're a rookie.
Okay. Ooh, there we go. Ooh. Wow. We already shout out to Babyliss, man, for charging these joints up already. Let's do the clipper. Well,
stop. Y'all about to say show the carrying case, man.
I'm sorry.
Get excited, man.
Yeah, I am. We got a little bag,
nice.
little baggie.
That's a little money bag.
Little money bag.
I'll put my money in here.
You got the we got the charger. Yeah, that's about it. Babyliss Pro. We got some stickers as always and some stuff, some manuals. Ain't nobody reading these joints. All right? Nobody. Sorry, ain't nobody. We don't do that. All right, we're gonna open these up. We got the clipper. I got the red one. Wes is finna buy these too. Look at, we got my boy Wes in the building.
He's in the background. Look.
You know you want these. You know you want to go and just spend your money and get these joints. Hold on, I'm gonna let. Ooh, these are sexy. Look at the carbon fiber feel. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, yeah. Wow.
Hold on, show Wes with him. Hold on.
That thing is nice.
Give him the Wes. So just
that thing is nice. The carbon fiber won me over.
Hold on, turn them on. That's gonna do it. Ooh.
That carbon fiber won me over.
Yeah, that's heavier. Yeah. That's a sexy. Hey, they know how to make a sexy clipper, don't they? Lord have mercy, man. Come on, man.
Hey, not for nothing. The clicking has improved.
Yeah, it's a little tighter. The clicking is a little tighter.
Oh wow, look at that. So you can use it all. The lever is completely full right here. And the clipper was on, as you can see.
Nice.
And it does not push back.
Nice. And I think we can gap these now.
Really?
So that's good. So I like that. I'm excited to use that. What comes in this box? These guards, man. Let's check these guards out. So they got some, I heard they got some improved guards. Let's just open these up and up. All right. They look like the same guards. Same guards. Different colors.
I don't think they're the same guards, bro.
It snapped?
No, it didn't snap, bro. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Put a 2 on there. Hold on. Put
a 2?
Put a 1 on there.
A 1? Oh, this feel like it broke. It sounded. All right, let's go for these guards. The ones that matter. I'll use the big old.
I swear, it's nothing better than getting a new pair of clippers, man.
I swear, I feel like
just take all our money.
All right, we got 1.5. Let's throw that on there. 1.5. Just see how it feels. Okay. No, it's tight. It's tight, bro. It's tight. It ain't coming off. She ain't coming off. It's tight. All right. That's right. Come on, bro. What the heck? All right. So we got that, and obviously it has the charger. Y'all already know. I'm talking to barbers. I ain't got to go through all this stuff, but real quick. And then we got what is this?
Ooh.
We get a little thing to hold it on to put. Who gonna use?
Oh, I thought that was a little brush, like for some enhancements or something.
What is this?
That's like the tie. I don't know.
Accessory.
Little accessory thing. See, I'm dropping it.
Yep, that's where it belongs.
Ain't nobody. I'm sorry, Babyliss. Ain't nobody gonna use that. I don't know what that's for. Wes might use it. I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? All right, and then last but not least, we got the trimmer.
All right, my camera duties is over. Wes, come here, Wes.
Wes, hold the camera real quick, bro. Cameraman 2, my brother Wes. All right, we got the trimmer. Same way, just really sexy, beautiful trimmer. We're gonna test out this blade. We're gonna test it all out. Shout out to Babyliss. They come charged already, straight out the box. Nice and quiet. Now they did say, now pan the camera up. I watched Stay Gold's video. Shout out to her. She said that they dialed back the trimmer a little bit because everybody was complaining about the first one, how everybody was slicing everybody up. So this one is I could tell I could tell you're gonna have to set this one, right? So it's still cut out the box. It's still decent. It's still decent right now. I'm still getting some scratches, but it ain't right before blood. You know what I'm saying? Let me see, what else?
I know they got a shaver or something.
Yeah, I got the shaver.
All right.
Yeah, we did the shaver already. And then it come with the charger, same books and stuff that we ain't gonna read. You know what I'm saying? And that's it, man.
Hey,
So,
Johnny.
yes, sir.
That brand of fabric, is that like Italian?
I'm not sure. It's a good question.
I mean, supposedly it has a Ferrari motor in it, so I would imagine so.
So yeah, we are finna test these joints out on my next client, and we're gonna get some footage of me cutting with them, and I'll let y'all know if they hot or not, if you should pass or grab. All right?
All right. Peace.
like this clipper, man. I think it's pretty dope. I did the entire haircut with this clipper. I didn't have to pick anything else up. And I did use the, there we go, the liners. I used the trimmers as well as the shavers. My client had like a 3 out on the sides. I was able to get all of that out with just the shaver. So overall, Babyliss snapped with this three-headed monster. I really like it a lot. So I'll put the link in the description to their website. You can grab these. These are pretty dope. But like I say in every video, if you don't necessarily need them, do you have to get them? I would say no, right? They're not like absolutely necessary, but they're pretty cool. They're really dope looking. If you like me, I'm a connoisseur. Clippers are kind of like sneakers now. Would you agree, Jerz? I said clippers are like sneakers now, man. It's like you gotta have the latest and greatest. So yeah, if you're in the market for some new dope clippers, I would say grab these joints. These pads. Did the whole cut with them, and I like them a lot. So hope that helps. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I'm surprised I got this video done. I got these clippers early, kinda. They was at the store. So appreciate y'all. Peace.
Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Until then,
Just chill till the next episode.
Dudecancut.com